Hello everyone, I am Atul Negi and I welcome you all to IMS Gate Academy YouTube platform. In the series of Post-Gate Guidance program, we'll be talking about IIT Kharagpur for mechanical engineering students. We'll talk about different specialization a mechanical engineering student can select for their MTech program. We'll discuss the cutoff as well and the admission process. Right, so let's get started in this video. So as you know, IIT Kharagpur is one of the premier institute in India, having a ranking NIRF ranking of 5. In this particular college, you will be getting most important exposure that is required for MTech student, R&D facilities, and all those exposure and the network you will be getting in this particular IIT. For mechanical engineering student, I hope you know that famous mechanical faculties are there, like S. Suman Chakrabarti it is there. Okay, our legendary S.K. Som is also there from the IIT Kharagpur. So it is a most important college. A mechanical engineering student for MTech program definitely should see the different specialization that they can select here. Okay, so let us go in detail here. So if I talk about first of all the MTech specialization and then cutoff part and the admission process. Okay, now there are so many MTech specialization a mechanical engineering student can select. So if I talk about first, that is manufacturing there. After that, thermal, machine design. Third, we have renewable energy also. Apart from that, these are interdisciplinary branches, right? Industrial engineering and management, operation research and data analytics, and aerospace engineering. So 5th, 6th and 7th are the interdisciplinary branches. Now you need to understand as of now, because of the latest market trends, this 5th and 6th, which is industrial engineering and operation research and data analytics, these are in very high demand. And that's why the cutoff for this specializations is also very, very high. And if you see the placements also compared to our normal regular specialization, the placements are also very high. The reason why the cutoff is very high, because all other engineering students from other branches as well can select their MTech program in their industrial engineering as well as in operation research. So it is open to all engineering students. That's why cutoff and the competition is very, very high. So as of now, the market trends mostly are there where people are opting for the data analytics, operation research. This is in high demand here. Okay, so you should also see the 6th number MTech specialization. Now coming to the cutoff part. Okay, we'll see the cutoff. For manufacturing, for general category it is 520. For EWS, OBC, SC, ST, all categories we have mentioned here. Cutoff means the last student who is selected for the MTech program in IIT Kharagpur. So this is the last cutoff. So according to your gate score, you should definitely select IIT Kharagpur in the COP counselings, right? Now thermal engineering we have, then machine design and renewable. So for thermal it is 550, 551 it is there. For machine design 612, renewable 545. Usually if you compare manufacturing, thermal and machine design, obviously in all the IITs you will find one thing common, that machine design has the high cutoffs because the placements are more in machine design compared to this thermal. Okay, but I know many students will prefer to study the thermal in MTech. But placement wise, if you see mechanical design, okay, or machine design is more there in a placements. You will see more percentage of placements in this particular branch specialization. Okay. Now renewable energy is also in very much high demand because now latest trends are there. We are working on the renewable energies because already fossil fuels are decreasing. So we are working on renewable energies like solar energy, it is there. So it is also in very much high demand. Okay, so if you are interested in the new technologies, you should also see the renewable energy. This is also most prominent specialization that you should see for your MTech program. So these are like 4 branches or specialization that is for mechanical. Again, renewable is also interdisciplinary. Other branches can also opt for renewable. But 1, 2 and 3, these 3 are the core mechanical specializations, right? Now coming to this industrial engineering management, then operation research and aerospace. For industrial engineering management, the cutoff is 694. Operation research and data analytics 729 and aerospace 522. So one thing you should see here, compared to all 7 specialization, operation research and data analytics is having 729 cutoff, which is very high. Why it is very high? Because it is very much in high demand. More competition is there, and the reason is because the more placements are happening in this particular branch. So if you are having a very good gate score, you should definitely select operation research. Okay, if you are looking for placements. Now I know personally many students are interested in doing their higher studies in thermal because they have so much interest in that thermal field. Then definitely you should do it here. Okay, because you will be getting so much R&D support from that college itself. Okay, everything which is required for your research and development case, you will get everything in the college itself. So definitely you should be looking for thermal as well as machine design. Machine design more important if you are considering the placements. So it depends upon your priority. Based on your priority, you need to select the branches. So if you want to stick with only core mechanical specialization, then these three are there. Now if you are looking for industry placement wise only, then this operation research, data analytics, and as well as industrial engineering management, this is also very important. Okay, now cutoffs we have seen here. Now we will talk about the admission process. So the admission process, it is totally based on the GATE score. Now you need to register on the COP portal, and separately you need to register on IIT Kharagpur portal as well. So it is going to close on 18th of April. You should register in IIT Kharagpur portal as well as in COP. Based on the counseling, you will be getting the allotments. Different rounds of counseling will happen. If you are not getting a chance in the first round, so don't worry about it, because multiple rounds of counseling will happen. So you need to keep on applying. Okay, you need to see the portal. Maybe in the second round or third round you will be getting. So chances are there. You should not be worried about, okay, in first round if you didn't get the selection allotment for the specialization, you should definitely wait for other rounds as well, right? Now before ending this particular video here, we'll be talking about a very important information, that you can join our Telegram group where you will be getting the latest YouTube lectures PDFs. You'll be getting the important notification information related with the job notifications, as well as the daily quizzes are happening for your competitive exam preparation. So link is already provided in the description. You can directly click on that link and you can join. And we have started our live online program for GATE 2026, a GATE examination, where you will be getting more than 800 hours of session. And these live sessions are fully interactive. You can directly discuss your doubts in the live class itself, right? Through audio mode also. Very important part, apart from that, you will be getting the theory book, exercise book, and a GATE question bank. GATE question bank, one book separately for technical subject, one book separately for aptitude and mathematics part, where you will be getting questions from all the branches. This is very important. And the main USP of this live online program is the 12 mentorship session, where you will be directly connected with the faculty. Whenever throughout the preparation you are facing any challenge or any difficulty, faculty will be with you and it will help you out in your preparations. And apart from that, all those features, 130 plus online tests are there, which you can practice, so that you will be more habitual of online tests and you can easily attempt your GATE examination with full confidence. So if you are interested in the live online program, you can directly book the free counseling session just by calling on this number. These numbers are there. You can directly call on this number to book a free counseling session. Okay. Now, if you want to explore the IMS GATE Academy program, there is a 1-0 fee program we have created, where you will be getting 50 plus hours of concept videos. Test you will be getting. One mentorship session is also you are getting, where you can directly talk with the faculty and understand how to prepare for the GATE examination. And last year GATE solutions also you will be getting. So if you are interested in the 0 fee program, you can directly click on the link provided in the video description and you can join the 0 fee program. And you can directly connect with the faculty using one-to-one mentorship guidance session as well. I hope the information is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.